Hi, my brothers and sisters in Christ. Breaking development as of the last 29 minutes, July 24th, 2018. There's been another uh, Oregon earthquake, 4.9. Okay? 4.9. Okay? So just giving you a heads up on that. People on the West Coast, just, I pray you have things together, okay? That if you have to leave at a moment's notice, that, you're ready, you're prepared, okay? The Lord hasn't given us a spirit of fear, okay? But you don't want to be caught off guard, okay, either, okay? I love you all, and I'll keep you updated, okay? God bless. Maranatha.